Yo, what's hood? Everybody on YouTube, man, it's your boy PM Kicks, man. I am back with another unboxing for y'all today, man. I am back with some actual sneaker related content. I am back with my own content, and I'm not stealing content from somebody else's page. Like, fuck. But anyways, man, before we get into this unboxing, man, y'all already know what to do. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button if y'all like the content, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And not enough talking, man. I ain't even finna get into all that. Let's get into this unboxing, man. And when I first seen this shoe, it was, I don't know, somewhere in like Tokyo or something like that. It was like a Tokyo exclusive or something like that. Then I end up seeing, you know, y'all can tell right there, y'all can see that, Reebok. And these are some Reebok classics, dog. I know y'all like Reeboks, but these are the Aztrek unisex joints, man. And these was fire, bro. When I first seen these, I'm like, damn. And like when I read was actually on the laces, bling, blow, burr on the shoes, man. I'll throw this box out of them. But yes, man, these right here are fucking fire. Bro, when I seen these, I was like, oh, hell no. I had to have these joints. These is fire. You feel me? And that's the thing that I like about my channel, you feel me? I don't ride waves. I don't wear everything that everybody else wear. I got my own style. I got my own flavor. I got my own, you feel me? Whatever you want to say, swag, style, flavor, drip, however you want to put it. I got my own shit, you feel me? I don't know. It might be unboxings on this shoe on YouTube, but I ain't seen one yet. So you feel me? Here you go. And these were actually, I forgot. These were like a Tokyo exclusive. As you can see by the laces right here. You see you have like the Japanese lettering, and I want to say this says gaming in Japanese as well, because as you can see, some of the laces actually says gamer on them. Let me see, you can see a good one real clear. The yellow one says gamer on it. This yellow one says gamer. It got gamer in blue, gamer in green. And when I seen this, I'm like, these is fucking fire. The whole upper, like the whole entire upper of the shoe, this is 3M. All of this is 3M. Like all of the gray you see in the shoe is all 3M. So just imagine when you flick that pit. Man, matter of fact, I'm gonna throw a picture up of these with the 3M popping on them. Man, I know it's fire, man. But anyways, man, I ain't finna get into that, man. I'm finna get into the shoe. I might have to stand up for this, man. Hold up. Yes, man, I had to stand up for this because you got to do both of them. As you can see, nothing is the same on each shoe. Both the sides are different. Then you flip it over. These is fucking fire, bro. But look, man, let's get into it. As you can see, all 3M upper, all the gray is 3M. As I stated, you have the mesh, the red mesh, the blue mesh on this side, the 3M perforation hole. Well, not really, because this doesn't even go to the shoe, but your little hints of 3M right there. I think this 3M on the toe box on the side maybe pop out a little bit more. I can see it a little bit more than this, like this little dull gray on the side. Like I said, right there on the shoelace has gamer, and it's in multicolor. All the way up to the tongue. I can do one tongue and probably one insole, since they both are similar. And as you can see right there, the Reebok is in multicolor. 3M tongue. You have the Reebok symbol behind the shoelaces. On the inside, you got Reebok Classic on the inside, on the insole of the shoe. Regular netting mesh insole, sock liner, nothing special. The tongue is even 3M. These joints is gonna flick on the pick. I already know. Let's get to the side of the shoe. I don't even know where to start on this shoe. This shoe, all of this feel like basically like the same material. Like they all feel like that 3M material, but I know it's not though. You have the multicolor Reebok right there. Reebok symbol. You have the yellow mesh over here. Midsole, you have all predominantly white midsole. Where, yeah, this is solid white. Solid white. It's all white. So honestly, before I even bought this shoe, I didn't even know that it had a theme to it. I just liked the colorway of the shoe. To be honest, I just love the colorway of the shoe. That's why I bought the shoe. I'm just like, this is a actual real reaction to me getting the shoe, like honestly. And as you can see, it has like gamer controls on the shoe. You see Y right there. On the back, it has X. Right here it has an A button, and right there it has the B button. Man, these are fucking fire, bro, for real. This is what I'm talking. This is what the shoe tube shit is about, man. This is what it's about. All that wave riding shit, man. People need to just cut that shit out, man. Get back to their own content, man. And stop copying what everybody else cop. What everybody else like. Multicolor Reebok. You got them 3M holes on the side, on the back of the shoe as well. You feel me? This is what the shit is about, man. Copying what you like, man. And sharing it. Damn. And sharing it with your subs, man. Sharing it with your subs, man. Got some crazy traction on here. Little AirPods right there. I said Reebok. Reebok. Right there. What's that? The Hexalite? I'm guessing that's like the patterns and stuff on the shoe. The outsole of the shoe is Hexalite. You feel me? It's the shoe. It's real. It's a real lightweight shoe. This 3M. Like I swear, it ain't showing. It ain't showing on the camera, but this 3M is flicking right now though. For real, like I'm low key geeked to take this picture. Even the insoles is different on the shoe. Man, if you ain't got these, bro, and you a gamer or you just like colorful shoes like this that you can really like freak and wear with anything, I recommend you getting this shoe. Like for real, like these are legit dope shoes. And they kind of follow like that dad vibe. As you can see, they almost look kind of like them ADIDAS young ones a little bit. Like they kind of look like they kind of copied a little bit from the young one or the Falcon or something like that. Cause they kind of like, they give out them little vibes, but man, they killed this shoe. This was a Tokyo, this was an Asian exclusive. Like it only dropped in over there in Asia, and then Reebok finally released these in the States. Like I did a little research on them after I purchased them. But yeah, man, these are clean, man. I'm mad I don't know more about the shoe. I gotta do some research, man. Hold on. Okay, real quick. This is a Aztrek X Billy Tokyo collab. And the theme of this shoe is actually from one of my favorite gaming systems, the Nintendo 64. I can't believe I didn't even notice that. The B button, the A button, the X button, and the Y button. I don't even know why I didn't even see that. And you know, the original game controller came all gray. You had the green button was, I want to say, B. The red button was A. I don't even remember how that stuff even went. But these are basically the hints around the Nintendo 64 gaming controller. And the shoe, of course, it was inspired by how the gaming community started to really boom in the 90s. I guess back in Tokyo, because originally this was a Tokyo release for about, like, I think it said like 10 or 11,000 yen, which is about 100 something in US dollars. But it was about 10 to 11,000 yen in Tokyo. Then they did a US drop on Reebok, on the online on Reebok. So if you feel free to go, I think they got every size left. People is really sleep on these, but these are really, really dope. Like, for real. Like, the 3M on these is, it's crazy. It's popping out so much right now. But anyways, man, that's it for my video, man. Make sure y'all hit that thumbs up button if y'all like the pickup, if y'all like the cop, man. Share the video, friends, family, gang members. Hit that notification bell so you won't miss another video, still review, unboxing, whatever I do. And subscribe to join the Playmaker gang, man. And we out this jam.